traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, like I've been talking about for a very long time now, I definitely am still looking at this as three waves up for W, three waves down for X, and I still think this is going to end up making three waves up for an ABC of wave Y, which I still think will take it up above the previous highs, probably someplace around the 78%, maybe the 0.82 area for the WXY pattern. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this way over here is the wave A. I think this is three waves down for a WXY of wave B. Then this five waves up that you see, I think is a wave 1. That makes this a big ABC correction like a wave 2. So this is a 1 of C, a 2 of C, and I think we are now in that wave C of C, and I think that it will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, part of this wave 3 of the wave C, which this is an ABC of wave Y that I was showing you on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move right here. I'm using these Fibonacci areas, possible areas of resistance, possible areas where we may see a pullback, kind of like what happened at the 61.8. Nice little pullback right there. So that is probably a good news for us as trend traders, because at the end of these pullbacks is where I will be looking to get in again to the long side for the continuation of this uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So like I said, the Fibonacci areas are definitely areas where we may see a pullback. So the 0.67023 area might be a very likely area to see a pullback. I personally am not going to short it because I am a trend trader. I'm only trading in one direction. The only thing that's going to turn me into a seller right now is if price goes out and breaks that low right there. As long as it makes a pullback and doesn't break this low and makes another higher low, I will definitely continue to look for longs at the end of all pullbacks I see. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, if it does start a pullback, if it does break to the downside, then that's when I'll throw a Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and I'll look for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks. I'll look for Fibonacci bounces for the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't break to the downside, then most likely it'll probably go up to at least a 78% before it actually does break to the downside, making a bigger pullback. It's probably more likely that it will do something like this, make its way up to the 78%, then make a bigger pullback, and then maybe in a day or two continue the uptrend. Like I said, I personally would prefer to wait for the end of these pullbacks, but I am definitely not a short time frame trader, and that is why I will preferably wait for the pullback to complete to enter long again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.